Hey everyone, flying Volaris soon? This ultra-low-cost Mexican airline has strict baggage rules that can surprise you with big fees if you're not prepared. In this video, I'll break down the complete Volaris baggage policy in 10 clear points so you can pack smart and avoid costly airport surprises. Let's dive in. Point 1. Free fare types control everything. Volaris offers 3 main fares: 0, Basic, and Plus. Your baggage allowance depends entirely on which one you buy. 0 is the cheapest, personal item only, Basic adds a checked bag, and Plus includes the most. Always check your booking in My Trips on the Volaris website or app. Point 2. Free personal item on every fare. Every passenger gets one free personal item that must fit under the seat in front of you. Maximum size is roughly 18 x 14 x 8 inches, 45 x 35 x 20 centimeters. Examples: small backpack, handbag, laptop bag, or briefcase. It cannot go in the overhead bin. Point 3. Carry-on bag rules and sizes. Carry-on, cabin bag, maximum dimensions are 22 x 16 x 10 inches, 55/56 x 40/41 x 25 centimeters, including wheels and handles. 0 and Basic. Not included. You must pay extra to add one. Plus. One carry-on is included. The combined weight of your personal item plus carry-on must not exceed 44 pounds, 20 kg, on Plus, or when you add it. Point 4. Checked baggage allowance. Checked bags go in the cargo hold. 0. None included. Basic. 1 checked bag up to 33 pounds, 15 kg, and 62 linear inches length plus width plus height. Plus. 1 checked bag up to 55 pounds, 25 kg, and the same 62 linear inches. You can buy up to 5 checked bags total, each max 55 pounds, 25 kilograms and 62 inches. Absolute maximum weight accepted is 99 pounds, 45 kilogram, with overweight fees. Point 5. When and where to buy extra bags. Always buy extra carry-on or checked bags online during booking or later in My Trips, the app. It's much cheaper. Airport fees are significantly higher. Add them as early as possible. Point 6. Weight and size enforcement is strict. Volaris is known for checking sizes and weights carefully. Soft-sided bags help, but measure and weigh everything at home. Oversized or overweight bags incur extra fees, and bags over the limits may be refused or delayed. Point 7. Domestic versus international is similar. The core rules, personal item, carry-on size, checked limits by fare, are the same for flights within Mexico and international routes. Fees can vary by route and season, so check the official additional services fees page for your specific itinerary. Point 8. Special items and restrictions. Sports equipment and musical instruments have special rules, often up to higher linear dimensions. Restricted items, aerosols, batteries, etc., and fully prohibited items, certain batteries, weapons, etc., apply. Check the official restricted items page. Smart bags with non-removable batteries have strict limits. Point 9. Baggage guarantee and what to do if something goes wrong. Volaris offers a baggage guarantee. If your checked bag doesn't arrive on the same flight, you may get a voucher, around 1,000 Mexican pesos or $80 USD. Report delayed, damaged, or lost bags immediately at the airport before leaving the claim area. Point 10. Pro tips to save money and stress. Choose the right fare based on what you actually need. Pack light and stick to the personal item if possible. Measure and weigh bags at home. Buy extras online early. Consider a Volaris Invex credit card for occasional free extra baggage benefits. Arrive early. Check-in counters have strict time limits, 2 to 3 hours before departure. That's the complete Volaris baggage policy in 10 points. Policies can change, so always double-check the official Volaris website or your booking confirmation before you fly. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment with your Volaris experience. Safe travels and see you in the next video.